What? Okay, one sec. Are you serious? Okay. All right, let's roll.
Action.
We invited expert red carpet designer Masaba for an interview and a little challenge.
Don't let fashion define you. Instead, define yourself through what you wear and how you express yourself. I believe in creating my own kingdom of fashion and style. Itna aasan nahi tha, but who likes it easy? The House of Masaba is known for its bold and innovative use of prints and traditional aesthetics while pushing the boundaries in contemporary fashion. Whether it's designing a denim sari for Sonam Kapoor or styling Simone Ashley in our iconic prints, or even doing something as iconic as taking Kareena Kapoor Khan as the first Masaba bride, and not to forget designing a beautiful look for my mum for the Cannes Film Festival. From Bollywood's red carpet to the global stage, I believe in making a statement, an unthinkable statement. Silhouettes, pattern, embellishment. That's how couture is made. And that is the heart of my job. Mixing, tailoring, and then finally detailing. It's all about blending fabrics and colors and then tailoring them to perfectly fit the muse and then embellishing it to near perfection. I always say that comfort is luxury. And I remember when we put pockets in our saris for the first time, maybe 10 years back, because we wanted to make the look a lot more functional and not just beautiful. It's just about feeling effortless and confident. Welcome to the backstage of my world.
Masaba's couture must-haves was the perfect cue to initiate the next phase of her plan, introducing her red carpet muse for the day.
So, Masaba, are you excited to see your muse for today?
Yeah, let's roll.
Your muse is a car.
What? Okay, one sec. Are you serious? You want me to style scan a car? Okay. All right, I guess if I can weave stories through fabrics, then let's capture the essence of this beauty. Wow, now that's a car. You know, my eyes immediately go to the coupe design. Now check out this muscular build. I mean, it's stylish, unique, and a real trendsetter. And that's exactly what silhouettes are, to make your structure look flawless. The art of embellishment lies in enhancing the needs of an individual. Like, just look at these glossy silver plates. And these LED DRLs. They just lift the look, right? Enough of what's outside. Let's see what's inside. Patterns. That's my design language. I see patterns in everything. And the fabric and leatherette used here, amazing. The armrest, just to lean on, aaram se. The adjustable cushion. And the headrest. It's about understanding what the person needs, right? And delivering it in a way that enhances overall experience. And you know what? Comfort gives the confidence to walk the red carpet so effortlessly.
So, what's Masaba's final verdict?
I like to call myself the connoisseur of intricacy, and I simply cannot resist applauding the Citroën Basalt. This car has that Masaba launch factor. It's unique, comfortable, and long drives के लिए best. लेकिन अभी के लिए, this stunning piece of power and elegance is ready to hit the runway and create a storm. Me and the Basalt are red carpet ready, and who knows, we might just create history again.